Washed my face in the rivers of empire, made my bed from a cardboard crate, down in the city of quartz. No news, no new regrets. Tossed a Susan B over my shoulder, prayed it would rain and rain, submerge the whole western states, call it a last fair deal with an American seal and corporate